Hello champions, welcome back. Let's begin with the new question. The question says find the rate of interest compounded per annum if an annuity immediate at rupees 20,000 per year amounts to rupees 2,60,000 in 3 years. Let's quickly begin with the solution. First of all, let's note down the information given in the question. See, in the question, we are given with the amount of annuity immediate as rupees 20,000. तो जो annuity का amount है वो हमें कितना दिया हुआ है 20,000. That is value of C is given as 20,000. और ये annuity 3 साल बाद जो है वो कितना बन जाती है 2,60,000. मतलब this 2,60,000 is the accumulated or future value in 3 years. So we are given also with accumulated value A as 2,60,000 and how many years are given? N as given as 3 years. And what we need to calculate is the rate of interest, that is R is to be calculated. Now it is quite evident from the given information कि हमें यहाँ पे capital A की value दी हुई है accumulated value, तो but obvious है we have to use the formula for accumulated value, right? So let's use the formula for accumulated value. Yes, it is given by A equals to C upon I, 1 plus I the whole raised to N minus 1. Now in this entire equation, we know value of A, value of C and value of N. The only unknown is I. Or once we get the value of I, we can easily get value of R. तो R find करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें यहाँ पे क्या find करना पड़ेगा? I की value using the formula for accumulated value. Now let's substitute the given values one by one. It will be 2,60,000 and on the right hand side it will be 20,000 upon I into 1 plus I the whole cube minus 1. Now this 1 plus I the whole cube can be expanded using A plus B the whole cube as A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. लेट्स एक्सपैंड दिस. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में बाकी सारी चीजें तो वैसे ही रहेंगी, सिर्फ हमको ये ब्रैकेट को एक्सपैंड करना है. तो इट विल बी 2,60,000 इक्वल्स टू 20,000 अपॉन आई and 1 plus I the whole cube will be 1 plus 3I square plus I cube and this minus 1 will come as it is. Now in the next step you can see these 4 and these 4's can be eliminated on both the sides, correct? So let's cancel them out. And similarly this plus 1 and minus 1 will also be eliminated, right? And in the next step you can send this 2 on the left hand side. So this will become 26 divided by 2 और यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बचेगा 1 upon I, करेक्ट? क्योंकि ये जो 2 है ये हम कहाँ भेज देंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. So in the next step it will be 26 divided by 2 equals to 1 upon I into 3I plus 3I square plus I cube. Now in the next step, simplifying further, 26 upon 2 will give us 13 and ये जो पूरा ब्रैकेट है इसमें से हम क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? Yes, everywhere you can see I. So you can take I outside the bracket. So next step will give you 13 equals to 1 upon I and taking I common from these 3 we get I into 3 plus 3I plus I square. Now again eliminating I and I, we are finally left with 13 equals to 3 plus 3I plus I square. Now हमको अभी सिर्फ क्या करना है, इस इक्वेशन को रीअरेंज करके क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाना है and then we have to find the value of I. So rearranging the terms in the given equation we get I square plus 3I और ये जो 13 है ये वहां जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, तो 3 minus 13 will give us minus 10 equals to 0. Now I hope everybody knows how to simplify or how to find the values using the quadratic equation formula or factorization formula, right? तो इसको अगर हम factorize करें तो we get two factors as I plus 5 and I minus 2. So I plus 5 into I minus 2 will be 0, which means I plus 5 is 0 or I minus 2 equals to 0. So this will give us I as minus 5 or I as 2. But I cannot be negative since it is rate of interest, right? So I minus 5 is not possible. So we are only left with I equals to 2. So since rate of interest can't be negative, I will only be 2. This value has been discarded. एंड एज वी डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर दैट आई हमारा टारगेट नहीं है, हमको इवेंचुअली क्या फाइंड करना है, आर की वैल्यू. And we know that I is nothing but R upon 100. So I2 का मतलब है R upon 100 की value is 2 and therefore R will be 2 multiplied by 100, that is value of R will be 200%. तो इस पूरे क्वेश्चन में जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है वो है 200%. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.